estimated, and that's a lowball estimate, $46,080 we've saved just from our users going out and building their own reports, not using IT personnel hours. That way they can devote their time to other projects that need programming. Yes, we can use it to develop other solutions, do more detailed programming, because now our users can do their own reporting and free us up, and they have access to all their own data, and they feel really empowered, so it makes it better. I logged in, we're up over 5,000. So apparently all of our report builders have decided they need a lot of reports lately, so it's growing incrementally. It's a testament to how easy Informer is to use. Our users really like it, easy to get the data that they're used to seeing, so it makes it easy for us. And then of course it also means I can never give you an accurate number. It's always an estimated 4,300 or now 5,100. To generate 4,300 reports, and keep in mind 4,300 reports would not have been as powerful as the 4,300 in Informer, because in our old reporting system we couldn't link files together. So in order to get data from multiple files or multiple sources, I'd have to write 5 reports to do what one report in Informer does. So just to get the equivalent of the 4,300 reports, I would probably need 12,000 reports if I did 3. If you average 3 per report, that could be, sorry, late in the day for math. But that's what it would be, about 12,000 of them just to equal that. But it would have been a lot. Dashboards have been really effective in handling statistics that we're constantly having to create for people. If we know they're always going to need to know how many employees are at a certain campus, or how many loans we've distributed this term, this is data they're always going to need. So by putting it in a dashboard, the most current information is available at their fingertips. They don't have to wait for a report to run. They don't have to sift through the data. It's right there. It's just statistical numbers that they're always asking us for. And our HR department is so happy because it has reduced the number of calls they have to handle with how many full-time employees do you have, how many part-time employees do you have. And our financial aid office is constantly needing it for government reporting and also for administration. So we have a lot of very powerful dashboards. And our newest dashboard is our enrollment dashboard, and that one's very important to our learning division, because they like to go in and see, especially during heavy registration time, at the beginning of the semesters, how many of our sections are filling up, where we still have spaces, where we need to offer more sections, where we may need to cancel. So it's good for them to know where our enrollment numbers are. It's an easy visualization of a report. And there are people always going to need the raw data, like I said before, but the dashboard gives you that snapshot of statistics. If you're talking about administrators, management level folks, people who are making strategic decisions, they don't want to sift through a report, come up with Excel formulas. They want that stuff already done and ready in front of them. They want to know how many new hires they have. They want to know how many new students we have, how many loans we've issued, how much money we've put out in payroll. These are the things they want to see just like that. So that's why dashboards are effective, especially for that level. When they're making decisions. I've actually done several presentations with their folks. I'm so comfortable with not only with their product but with their service. When we've had issues, they've been very easy to get in contact with. They call us back almost immediately. I love that they have the online resources that they have. And if you ask questions and you put them out to the forum, they get back to you right away. So it's been a very pleasant experience. I can't say that for all the vendors that you work with, but with them I'm very comfortable. Is a user-friendly reporting tool to capture information from your data source. And a data source can be anything. Excel, Access, all the way up to complex ERP systems. If the data's stored, you can pull it out. What Informer does for you is provide you with an easy-to-use drag-and-drop tool that folks are familiar with how to move things around. The architecture is set up so it's easily readable and understandable. The terms are understandable that the system uses. So If I were to explain Intrinsic, I would say a very user-friendly reporting tool. And you can't say that for a lot of them on the market. I have to say that.